Ooh, all this is growing up pretty good. Just don't be any snakes. That's all I ask for. You can try there, you can go down farther, either one.
I'll go down farther. Look at that. Is that a platform or is that grass?
It's all grass over there.
Bruh.
I'm going to start with the Guggen frog. See how well that works. Ooh, there's a deer right across from us. This is all flooded since there's another deer. This is all flooded since last time I was down here, so who knows what's in this anymore. It used to be super clear. Hopefully everything's good. Got fish in it. Oh, there's perch right there. Woo. Almost down the tree. Still almost on the tree. I can't throw this rod. I don't know why. Why does this keep jerking that way? Can y'all see that right there? Come on, attack it. Go for it. It's a big old perch. Let's see what the trench hog can do. Get it down deep in the water. Try it out. It is hot out here, so. Ooh, there's a big old weight going right there. I wonder, do I have any bandito bugs? I hope so. I don't think I do though. No. All I brought is saucy or rage swimmers. But I'm not gonna lie, I want to throw that on. Well, first spot, no go. All there's a bunch of little perch. I'll walk down a little bit farther. There should be another spot right up here. See how well that goes. This is like a foot of water, if that. And the water's up. It used to be a lot lower since that last flood that we had. Well, I shouldn't say flood, just a bunch of rain that we had. This has all come up probably two feet. At one point this was all flowing. Now it's all stagnant. The fish are stuck wherever they're at. So hopefully some bass moved in. Yeah, too sketchy. There's a big old rock cliff up here. Ironically, this creek actually flooded our house out back in '98. Picked it up, moved it 90 feet into the middle of the street. You see something weird? Normally you would do this, but it requires you to do this.
That's crazy. Look, it's high over here.
Yep. What are you throwing? What are you throwing?
Chatterbait.
Oh, okay.
Oh, big bass. Big bass, Brian.
Yeah. I'm coming. Where's he at?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, don't break.
Oh my gosh. Not a monster.
We'll go up to over there.
Not a monster fish, but a big one. Big.
Hell yeah. It's probably 2.5 pounds from the looks of it.
I thought that is the bait that I caught the fish on.
Let me have it. Where's it at?
It's like
Under the water?
under, yeah, under the stick. Right there. Oh, there's fish swimming right there.
Reel this up. That's not a chatterbait.
It's not?
No, it's a diver.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, back to where we were. So when you hook a tree like this, you do this right here. You don't reel it all the way up to it. You leave it down a little bit and then you pop it.
Come on, lure out.
I hooked your lure, but it's stuck now. Mine's stuck. You want to go for a swim?
For sure. Look at my lure, too. Oh, it's gonna be cold. I already know it, dude. If I get bit by a snapping turtle, it's gonna suck.
So, it's ground right there. Shit, I hope you can reach it.
Oh, yeah, probably not.
You might be able to reach up and grab it.
I'd go climb over there and snap the tree. And...
You can try it.
You know how deep it just got?
Yeah, I saw you go down. Is it cold?
No, it's not cold. I'm just freaking out.
Swim out there. You're already swimming.
Dog, it just got so deep that I couldn't even touch the ground no more.
I saw you bounce back up.
That's a pretty big dub.
Well, you already went swimming.
Yeah,
You might as well just swim out to that branch and hold on to it.
I died. I love you and I love Mom.
Well, I got it on video, so
Yeah.
we love you too.
Make sure you post it on YouTube.
I don't think you can post that kind of stuff. Hey, that.
Okay. Are there gators out here?
No.
Oh. You really can't post it again.
There you go. There you go. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. See if I can pull you in. You got all kinds of lures now.
Oh yeah, for sure. You're posting this to YouTube. I don't care if you caught no fish.
Oh, I don't care. You caught one. I didn't get it on video, but I got you.
Hey, dickhead.
Man, look at the 3-pounder I caught.
Good.
with a boy. Poke myself. Shit, break those off. There we go. Yeah, you were in there.
Uh-huh.
Hey, look at that. Mine came off. Might have to put a new hook on this.
That's cool.
I just bent it out. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't have swam out there for it. It's all leeches.
Should have went from the attack too. That would suck even more.
Look at the keeper I just got.
That's funny, bro. That's funny.
Well guys, that's gonna bring this video to an end. Trent caught a 2.5, maybe 3-pound bass. It's pretty good. He got his lure stuck. Use the take the reel off, throw it down, pop it loose. Then he got stuck in another spot. Tried it again, snapped it off. Pole went in the water. Luckily it was floating. Casting my frog over there, got it to come over, got it out of the water. I was like, I want to try to get his lure out of that tree. Sling it out there, sling it out there, sling it out there. Finally got it, but then hooked it. So Trent went for a little dip and broke the branch off. We got an extra lure out of it. All in all, it's a pretty good evening. We're gonna possibly hit this place up again someday. It's not too far from the house, but what are you gonna say, Trent?
Like and subscribe.
There you go. You heard it. Like and subscribe. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Bruh. There's another deer. Oh, there's perch right there. Woo. Still almost in the tree. I can't throw this rod. Why does this keep jerking that way? It's a big old perch. No. Rage swimmers. I'm not gonna lie. Fish are stuck wherever they're at. Yeah, too sketchy. You see something weird? Yep. Oh, poked myself. I don't know why.